What's up, guys? So you are welcome to my design class of Axure RP9. So guys, today we'll be designing a website landing page for car, as you can see here on my screen. And please not to worry, the file is available for you. The link is in the description below. All you need to do, just click on the link to download the file so that you can be able to do yours. And please, if you haven't subscribed yet, what are you waiting for? Make sure to subscribe and then on your notification button so that you can be notified when next I post. So I'm going to bring in a box now. Okay, then the weight of the box will be, okay, then the height here will be, okay, so let's see. Okay, there we go. So just copy this and paste it here, and then the weight of this one will be, okay, there we go. So now I will just change the color here, the fill color. I want it to be black. Here we go. And here too, I want it to be red. Okay. Okay. So now remove the border thickness, then just preview to see the size. If maybe we need to reduce it. It's okay now. So guys, next I'll bring in the headings. So okay, heading one. So here we say here will be, yes, let me, and it should be, okay, white so we can see. Okay, so next would be, I'll just change the text here to about us. Here we go. So now about us, and I'll just copy this and paste it. And here will be about us from the contact, and let's say contact. Yeah, contact is good. Okay, then next on my list from the contact, let's see, car, as, then here we service. Oh yeah, service is cool. Okay, now so here in the middle, just make sure it's in the middle. So let me preview, guys, then we'll see our design. It should be regular. So now, okay guys, here we go. So next on the list will be, let me bring in the image, our image, then see, okay, this one. So this is our image here, guys. Then next Maybe I will increase it later, but for now, okay, so the box, the width of it will be also it's good, then the height of it will be, here we go. Yeah, I'll just increase it and then, okay guys, here we go. So I'll just bring in an icon. So okay, then I will reduce our icon. Should be very small. First, let me give 10. No, 5 would be cool. So 5. Okay, now. So here we go. Let me just, okay, so here we go. I'll just copy this and paste it. I'll do it 5 times, guys. The space between them should be 5. I just need to increase it so that so now I'll just copy this of the, okay, so then I'll bring in the text. Now let's see. $600 plus review. So now just, okay, so what I'll do, 14 or 13. Okay guys, here we go. So now let's see. Background color should be red and the text color should be white. Just changing the color, then I think bold will be thing here. And here we go then. Okay guys, so we are almost there. Here we go. Okay, now so let me preview, then we'll see. Okay guys, so this is our design, and okay, so now, okay, so next on the list I will bring in a heading. So I'll just put it here, then so here will be So the text size will be 32. So next on my legs, I'll bring in the heading. Let's see. Enjoy your So I'll do it 50. Its color will be white, and there we go. So now okay guys, here we go. It's in the middle, then paragraph. Okay. I'll just change the color here to right, then I'll bring in the button. Okay, so the button here, the weight of it will be in the height. I'll do the height. Okay, so the color should be black. Okay, then if you put the one, so the color of the, let me do it white. Okay guys, so I will just change the text to book now. Okay, here we go. So should be bold, and the size will be 20. Okay, should be bold, and the size will be 20. Okay guys, here we go. So this is our button. Then I will just bring in so here we go. Okay. I'll just strike it in. Okay guys, here we go. We are almost there. Okay, so let me refresh then. Okay guys, so this is our design. Then we need to do something to it here. So yeah, the size is 20. and here too should be the same 20. I'll just copy it and paste it and just drag it here. So here will be, okay, so let's say 80 kilometers per hour, kilometer per hour, okay. So here will be 20, should be bold. Okay. Okay, so I'll just copy this and paste it and then give it a name. So the name here will be Axure. Axure range. So next will be the text here. So the text here, I'll do it. It's a 4.4 out. Okay. So charging time. I'll paste it. Okay guys, so here we go. The next will be, let's say 35 kilometers per hour. Okay, so now here we go. So here will be okay, so next and here so guys, here should be 40. Okay, the weight. Okay guys, so here we go. So now I'll just let's bring it closer. So let me preview, refresh, then. Okay guys, I think it's okay now. So this is our design. Okay, so okay guys, so this is our design. I think it's okay now. It's fine now. Okay, so thank you very much for watching. See you in my next video.